This is absolutely shocking and breaking news. The inventor of mRNA vaccine technology, Dr. Robert Malone, Twitter account has been suspended. This is multi-million-dollar question. Why they suspend the account? Because he warned people about the jab. That's why they ban him. The question is, what else he wanted to tell us? Very few people knows. I believe only 2% people around the world knows all the technology we have in our time. All of them, namely Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Google and many others technology are working for Antichrist Dajjals one way or the others. Telegram is the only platform which outside of that Antichrist Dajjal's control, and this Telegram is alone fight against the Dajjalic media, which is totally fake news. I suggest you please download the Telegram app and know the truth what is happening in the world of Circus 19. Look on the image and join this group on Telegram and know more about the Circus 19. Who is Dr. Robert Malone? Dr. Robert Malone, inventor of using RNA as a drug and core mRNA and DNA vaccine technology. Dr. Robert Malone provides us with an in-depth discussion on his past of how he invented the mRNA and the DNA technology. Robert Malone is an American virologist and immunologist. His work has focused on mRNA technology and pharmaceutical and drugs repurposing research during this Circus 19. He was criticized of promoting misinformation, but we know that's not misinformation, that's the correct information. Do you know why they give such name mRNA? What does M stands for? It's called messenger. From the Torah, Bible and the Holy Quran, we know the prophets of God called messenger, right? And we know the Jewish people claims their messenger or the Messiah is coming. We called him Antichrist Dajjal. From this, I believe Antichrist Dajjal is directly linked with this jab. I am not allowed to speak more than that. Everyone knows. I am just reminding you what the job of RNA. The RNA is the commander of DNA. What does it mean? It means RNA will command something to do and the DNA will do the job. Finally, they command you through the 5G network. If you heard about the new technology come in the market called thought wave, using this thought wave, they command your brain or your mind, and what you have to do next. You don't have to think anymore. They will think for you. What they tell you, what they say to you, according to their commands, our brain will work. I gave you an example. Don't go left, go right. Don't say God, say Iblis instead of God. Rest of the thing you need to find. For that you need some homework. Conclusion. I hope you already know the answer why they suspend the Twitter account of Dr. Robert Malone, the father of mRNA technology.